have a Windows 10. Okay, we have a Windows 10. We installed a Windows 10 Enterprise, right? So what is this Enterprise and what is your machines? So we'll see that one. So in Windows 10, you have a mainly 3 editions: Home Edition, Windows 10 Home Edition, Pro Edition, Windows 10 Home, Pro, Enterprise. Professional Edition, Pro means Professional Edition, Home Edition, Enterprise Editions. 3 main editions are there. Other than this, Windows 10 Mobile, that is not there now because Windows 10 Mobile editions are removed from Microsoft. Microsoft cannot able to maintain that mobile editions. Market wise is also very less mobile and tablets having a Windows 10. Okay, so only Surface Pro stuff that is also a little bit different from actual mobile edition. Okay, so actually Nokia launched a Lenovo editions, that is with Microsoft editions only. Now Windows 10 Mobile is not there, of course. Okay. Next one is education. Education means, so if you are a university student and your university is partner of Microsoft, so my university will take a student licenses from Microsoft. So you want to take that license, you have to go to your principal, apply, and you have to submit your age proof, like you are above 13 years, minimum 13 years age. Okay, so then they will give you a activation email ID kind of stuff. Okay, so they'll create an account for you. Okay, they will give you a key or a email account kind of stuff. Once you log in, automatically you are authenticated. So that is Windows 10 Education Edition is there. Mobile edition is removed. Of course, people who want to do IoT, Microsoft IoT edition is also there. Windows 10 IoT, IoT Core, IoT Standard, Enterprise, some other editions. In IoT also 3 editions are there. So important editions are these 3 editions. Okay. Again, home editions for anyone. Like I purchased a laptop, I got a Windows 10 Home Edition. I purchased a desktop from Lenovo or a Dell desktop, I'll get a directly installed with Windows 10 Home. Or I have a desktop, I want to install Windows 10, I can go to the market and purchase a home. Home for a personal, and it is a retail type, means you can buy from market directly, retail type. You can go to market or a Microsoft website, you can buy directly retail CD of the home, or you can, in generally now it is what we can say OEM. OEM means comes with a laptop or desktop. Professional, used for a personal, business. Earlier we have a business edition, now it is business, and including enterprises also we can able to use it. Okay, it is available in a retail manner, OEM manner, means you can buy, it comes with your laptop kind of stuff, is also you can able to it. Like you can buy a CD and you can install it, or you can go to, you buy a laptop, it comes with operating system with professional, you can able to any, you can upgrade from home to professional. The enterprises is not a personal, means not for your own self, it is a business and enterprise purpose only. No retail, no OEM, it is a volume license kind of stuff. Volume license kind of stuff only. I will tell what is retail OEM licenses also. Just for understanding, guys. So I given some details for understanding, but important is for home and pro, you can go to market and buy a Windows 10 DVD, or you can go to Microsoft website, buy a Windows 10 home. You can go to Microsoft website, okay, buy a home, or in online also you can purchase from Amazon, Flipkart kind of stuff. You possibly can purchase Windows 10. So that means you go and buy a Microsoft. You can download Windows 10 home and pay for license key, insert a license key, you'll get a Windows 10 home. Or you buy a laptop, it came with a Windows 10, also possible, right? So that is what Pro is you are a professional purpose. Okay, personal meaning is so you are a professional user. You want a more features than home. Okay, so you want to use that kind of features. Then we will go to Pro. Cost is different. Like home, you will get a 6,000, 7,000, but Pro is a 16, 18,000 or 20,000. Now it cost is also increased. Okay. Business, enterprise, also people use professional editions. Windows 10 Enterprise, not for a personal use. You can buy from Microsoft or you can go and buy from the market also. License key is also not individual license key. It is from organizations. Business or enterprise means you can get a Windows 10, only in a organizations. Of course, we are using evolution version. Okay. Why Windows 10 Enterprise we are using? Because it's available in easily we can download from the Microsoft directly. Pro and home we can't download like a evolution version. Okay, you have to pay or you have to register, then only we can able to download. Of course, again, Windows 10 home. So very basic Windows 10 edition. No Hyper-V feature. You won't get Hyper-V feature. Okay. No local group policies. Bitlocker technology. Bitlocker is not there. Local group policies are not there. App locker policies also not there. Okay, like that. Certain things not available in a basic. First of all. Next, Windows 10 Pro and enterprises have a Hyper-V feature. So local group policies, domain joining, so you can join to the domain. Bitlocker technologies. You have to verify Pro having a Bitlocker or not. Bitlocker is not always available in a Pro editions, so you have to verify that one. Now domain joining. Bitlocker kind of stuff. So only basic operating system. No Hyper-V feature, no local group policy feature, no domain joining, no Bitlocker inside. So that's why we are came here using Pro or Enterprise. Even though Pro also we can't download like our evolution, only Enterprise we can able to download evolution. That too we need a certain features. So these are the differences of this. Minimum requirement already we seen, so I'm not going with the minimum requirements. Just I'm going with the features of Windows 10. What are the features of Windows 10 is start menu style is changed. Start menu style is look like this one. So earlier Windows 7 and Windows 8. So Windows 7 is having a start menu, but not much easy but compared to Windows 10. Windows 8 is a completely metro style. So like all are this buttons only, tab buttons only it is there. It's like a tablet mode only it is type. Okay, so only icons are there. But here it is, you can see this is recently used, and these are all your menu. Start menu is there, settings button is there, directly documents and pictures, and your user, and also you have a tails. You can modify these tails, like you can remove or you can add it from your start menu. You can add it from start menu. You can resize it also, small, medium, large kind of stuff. So you see, you can group the menu. If you want to put anything into start menu, just simply right click here. Okay, pin to start. Then automatically it is pinning to here. Okay, that is a start menu style. Okay, this is the start menu style. Next, one second. Okay, next, tablet mode. Tablet mode. You know what is tablet mode? You can convert your Windows 10 into tablet mode. Okay, for example, if you have a two-in-one laptops, if you have a two-in-one laptops, you can convert your laptop into tablet mode. So two-in-one means you have a screen. The screen contains itself like a processor, RAM, and everything inside a screen only. Keyboard is just for a keyboard, and mouse or for connectivity purpose only. Just you can insert into the keyboard point, so then it become a laptop. If you remove it, then it become a tablet only. Right? Okay, so then we'll see what is the tablet mode. Click on these notifications. Okay, so this is a tablet mode. So if you click on this tablet mode, then your PC become like this, tablet mode. Okay, so we don't have much applications like this. You can see tablet mode. Want to convert it back, just unselect this tablet mode. Okay, so tablet mode is another one. Cortana. Cortana. This is Cortana. This is the voice assistance. Cortana is a voice assistance. Okay, if you want to search, like Google Talk kind of stuff, Google Assistant is there now. So same thing, it is works like a that one only. Siri or Google Assistants, same in a Microsoft is Cortana. Cortana. What is Cortana? What is Cortana?
Voice assistant.
Like this. Okay. Yeah, earlier we can able to open applications, paintbrush, like that. But now it is not understanding anything. Open paintbrush. It's now only Google search. Okay. Open paint. So only that kind of assistance only. Earlier days, we can open applications, files directly. Okay. Now it is not that one. So still that after update, it is not working like. Next, Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge. is nothing but a default web browser. Microsoft Edge, you know already, is a default web browser. So that is the thing. Next, task view. Task view. So task view means this is a symbol, task view. What are the things we have done in the last time? You can able to see that one. Okay, task view, which is currently open, which is opened earlier. Like this, you can see the task view. So time slab type means which when you are using it. Next is virtual desktop, not virtual machine. It is a your desktop workspace will changes. For example, here I've opened a notepad, another notepad, a virtual machine, and here it is Microsoft Teams, Google Drive. Like this, I open so many things, right? So if I go to another desktop space, this is my first desktop. I go to second desktop. In the second desktop, I can't able to see anything on my screen. So there is opening things are not there. Okay, so the notepad, everything is gone automatically. I don't know whether you can able to see or not, but this is the task view and a virtual desktop. So go to task view. You can create another virtual desktop, like in one desktop environment. You can able to learn C++ or maybe Python kind of stuff. In other desktop, you do virtual machine thing. In other desktop, you can do some watching a movie. So which desktop you want to show, like you can put it. Okay. So that is a called a task view or a virtual desktops. Okay. So yeah, of course, there is so many features are there. Ink feature is there. This is Ink snap-in feature, Windows Ink feature. Okay. So you can write on like a on your desktop screenshot. You can take your desktop on screen shot, or you can get a whiteboards also. Okay. This is, if you click here, whiteboard and full screen snipping. Okay. And the new version got a Meet now. It is a Skype Meet. It is integrated with a Skype. Meet now. Direct tool is there, like this. Skype. Okay. Wi-Fi hotspot. Wi-Fi direct print feature is also there. Direct print means you have a Wi-Fi printer, so you don't require a router. You can use your Wi-Fi hotspot kind of stuff, like directly can communicate with your printer. Okay. Wi-Fi direct print. Of course, remaining so many other features also available. Okay, screen snipping kind of stuff, just integrated with Ink only. Now, Windows Store. Windows Store. This is Windows Store. On-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard is there earlier. Now also there. So if you go to notifications, you will get a like a silent mode. Okay. Airplane mode kind of stuff. Power saver mode. Screen snipping. Projector. Connector. VPN. Airplane mode. This kind of stuff also there. It's taking time to open. So meanwhile, I put a airplane mode is there. Directly you can able to, like your mobile phone, how you put your mobile into airplane mode. If you are traveling, then you have to put your laptop into airplane mode, silent mode, kind of stuff. See, this is my Microsoft Store. You can download applications or games and you can play. You need a Microsoft account to log in, then only you can able to do all these things. Okay. Hyper-V. Hyper-V is available in a Windows 8 also. So compulsory Pro or Enterprise editions 64-bit operating system is required to go with the Hyper-V. Hyper-V is a virtualization platform like how we use VMware Workstation to create a virtual machines. In Microsoft Windows Pro or Enterprises, you can install Hyper-V and we can able to work with it. Hyper-V is a feature, not a application. Like direct download application is not there. We can't download it. Okay, these are the some of features. If anybody want to add up some more features, you can able to add it. Microsoft Live is like a mail client type. This is the Microsoft Live. Okay, so this is mail. Live or live mails it is. Like Outlook. Okay, so you can configure your mail. So you don't need to open a browser. You can access your mails from here like this. These are all my mails only. Okay. Of course, there is a other common features are there. So other common features are like a file history, Bitlocker, Bitlocker, backup and restore. Of course, here we forget one thing, recovery options. In this one, you can find a reset. Reset option is there. In recovery, you have a reset option. In a reset, you can choose two options. So one is you can want to keep files or remove everything. Okay, so what is that keep files? It keep your personal files. Okay, remove everything means it remove your applications and your personal files and settings. Keep files means reset. Actually, what is reset? It reload your operating system. Your operating system got some problem. Your operating system not working properly. Then we can go to reset. In the reset, if you say keep files means operating system will be reloaded means completely it is reinstallation type. Applications will be removed, settings will be removed, but files will be your desktop, downloads, documents, that kind of files, everything will be available. Remove everything. Remove everything means OS will be reinstalled. OS is reinstalled. Applications and settings will be removed, and your personal files also will be removed. So that is a recovery option. Advanced options and troubleshooting options. Okay, in advanced recovery, advanced troubleshooting. In the troubleshooting, startup repair, system restore, like this. It's like for troubleshooting kind of stuff. common. File history, Bitlocker, backup and restore, Windows Defender, Windows firewalls, Windows Defenders, and of course there is a small features also there. Parental control, disk management, all are normally stuff. This file history, Windows 8, Windows 10, Bitlocker, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, backup and restore, Windows 7 and Windows 8, Defender, Windows Vista 7, 8, 10, firewall, Windows XP onwards, firewall is there. Firewall Defender, Windows 10. Okay, these are the common features. So editions, features, license. Then I will start. What are the different type of licenses we use it? What is license? What is activation and all? Activation meaning is it confirms the product. You are using a Windows 10. You are using Windows 10 Home, Pro or Enterprise. So how to confirm you are using that such a product? By license key. By license key, the product is activated, and the activated product makes this is working project. Okay. Product activated. And what is activation? It confirms that product is genuine, working, kind of stuff. By activation, product works with the features. Product means operating system. Here it is product means operating system. So your operating system, full features you want to use it, you can use. You have to put a license. Like our Windows 10, it is showing a license expiry. That's why we can't able to do certain things. Because of licenses activation. Okay. So different type of licenses are there. One is retail, OEM. Next is volume. What is retail? Retail means it is like a you can retail means it's a individual. It is a individual license. You buy a operating system DVD. You got a license key. You buy a operating system from Microsoft. Then you got a license key. You buy nowadays not DVDs. Now you are getting pen drives, operating system pen drives. Okay, even that also you will get a license key. It's an individual key based. Okay, for a single system purpose, single system or single user purpose, we'll get it. By each key is for support a single user type only. Okay. Very important is if change of hardware reactivation is required. Change of hardware or reinstall OS, reactivation is required. Here it is. It comes with a device. Meaning is either it is laptop you purchase or desktop you purchase. Okay, so automatically OS is there. Okay, the license information stored in hardware. Okay, when you reinstall OS, means same type OS, same OS. You have to reinstall same OS, means same edition, same only, means Windows 10, Windows 10, Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Pro only. So not different OS. So same OS, compulsory same type of OS. Okay. Activate automatically. Okay. But to change hardware means you change your computer. No activation. It won't activate. Finally, volume license. Retail means individual. OEM comes with the device. Volume, it is belongs to enterprise. It's not a individual one, not comes with a device. Enterprises maintain bundle of licenses, giving to their employees. Devices, laptop or desktop kind of stuff. Through okay, KVM, not KVM, sorry, not KVM, KMS, volume license server. Okay, KMS server, volume license server. So through server directly, license will activate. So these are about your activation and licenses. Again, once again, what are the different editions? Home, Pro, Enterprise editions are there. Okay, so Home we can buy, Pro also we can buy individually. Enterprise is given by Enterprise only. Okay, Home is generally personal use purpose only. Pro is like a personal, professional, business kind of stuff. We can use it because of the features. Enterprise is usually in a business only. Different type of features. Start menu, tablet mode, Cortana, Microsoft Edge Task Queue, Virtual Desktop, Ink Space, Meet Now, Wi-Fi Hotspot, Microsoft Store, okay, recovery, advanced options, and so many others also there. BYOD, bring your own device kind of stuff, NTFS, long paths kind of stuff. Okay, so I'm not writing those. So file history, BitLocker, Windows Defenders also a common features in a previous operating system and this operating systems. Different type of licenses are there. So what is the meaning of license? Means you will get activated by license. Activated come from the product, means your operating system. So then you are genuinely you are using an operating system. You're a genuine person, means you purchase the product. Okay, and by activation you will get all features of that product. By activation, okay, product work that features. all features will work. This is better. All features works by activation. Different type of license are there. One is retail, OEM, and volume. Retail means individual one. So for example, I have a desktop. Now I want a license. So I'll purchase Windows 10 license, like a Windows 10 Home or a Pro. I purchase it and I will get a license key and I'll insert the license. Then my product is activated. In a future, I want to reinstall the operating system. So I reinstall the OS in the same system or other system. Remember guys, same system or maybe other system. I installed it. I put a license key. My hardware is damaged. So I got a new PC. So I removed my old PC. I go to new PC and I install Windows 10 and I put a license key. Okay, I put a license key. So that is first thing. Okay, so what I am telling, so retail meaning is I have a desktop, I purchase a Windows 10, I install a Windows 10, I installed Windows 10, now it is activated using. Now I want to reinstall the operating system, I removed my OS and reinstall the OS. After reinstallation, put the license key for activation. Or my hardware is damaged, I replace some of my hardware like a motherboard, processor, like that. License will be gone. Again, you have to put the key to activate. Or you move to the new system, like my whole system is no longer support. I go to new computer or laptop. What I will do? I install Windows 10, put a license key because I removed my old system. I'm moving to new one. Now OEM comes with your laptop or desktop. Like you purchase a laptop, it is already Windows 10 is there. It is a OEM package. Original equipment manufacturer. Original equipment manufacturer. The license key by manufacturer of your laptop only. So your license information stored in your hardware. You want to reinstall your operating system. So you install operating system, but same edition you have to install. Okay, same edition, same version we have to install, then automatically it will license it. But you change your hardware, like you're moving from your old system to new system, or your replacement of your motherboard or a processor kind of stuff, you won't get a license. Okay, because it's a license information stored in your hardware, mainly in your motherboard or a BIOS. You change your motherboard, license will be gone. Volume licensing. I have hundreds of computers in this organization. It is difficult to serve each and every person individually a license key. So what I do, I'll take a Microsoft organization. So I go to Microsoft organization. I'll purchase bundle of licenses, like 100 licenses at a time. I distribute the license to the devices through, I distribute licenses to devices through KMS server, key management server. KMS means key management, or a volume licensing servers also there. So using that one, we can distribute the licenses. So these are all about three parts of main important parts of Windows 10. That's it. Guys, understand or not?